My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Nordicware cast iron griddle set. Not a sponsor. I thought I'd do a quick unboxing of this. I have been wanting one of these for ages for when I go camping. Look at all the fun stuff they show, especially what I was wanting to use this for is pancakes. Now, what I've seen people use this for in their homes is they place this over two burners, you know? This cost me $30 or $25 off of Amazon. It's pretty sturdy, as you can see, and it's fairly lightweight for it being cast iron, but it's just a single sheet. And as you can see, it's just got a little paper sleeve on it. So the use and care, before initial use, hand wash only. You know, so this is by Nordicware, and this is called the Griddle King is what it is. So it's a very large 2-burner cover in order to make like plenty of pancakes or eggs or bacon, whatever you want to make on it. I thought something like this would be so cool for camping, you know, especially, and I measured the charcoal grills at the campsite, and this fit perfect on it. So I thought I'd buy the Nordicware King. I'm not too sure what the dimensions are 16.5 inch by 9.875 inch. And this also fit on my regular grill. It fits about half of a regular, you know, the regular grill that you see at like Home Depot, or if you have one of those. And this is the Griddle King. It fits 2 burners on your stove if you just want to use it on your stove. Exceptional value and durability, heavy aluminum. Oh, excuse me, it's aluminum, not cast iron. For fast and even heating, generously sized to cook family-sized portions, slim profile for easy storage, non-stick surface for easy cleanup, for use on gas, electric, and glass top stoves, as well as grills and camp stoves. I have a glass top stove down here in Arizona. There's not a lot of gas, so not a lot of people have gas stoves down here. They're all electric. So a lot of times it's the induction stovetop, you know, it's the glass stovetop. So I bought this to use myself here at home and outdoors on my own grill. You know, if I wanted to do maybe some like fried rice on it or something like that, and then to use for camping. You know, I'm so excited to use this because it's lightweight, and I think this will work just perfect for what I need it for. So anyways, I thought I'd just do a little unboxing of this. And as you can see, there's all types of stuff that you can use this for, you know? Look at all these fun pictures. So thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.